Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So we're going to be showing you our fidgets, all of our fidgets. So first we're going to start off with mine. We have this skull poppet, red, white, and blue. Can you see it? Okay. Tell me in the comments which one's your favorite. And then we have this Yoda camouflage. Then we have this baby Yoda, it's orange. That's not mine. This is gonna be mine. Then we have this little orange bouncy ball that has a smiley face on it. Crap, I'm trying to show it to you. There. And then we have, wait, where's mine? This is mine. They have this poppet bracelet, blue and white. Then we have this baby Yoda. My grandma said there was baby Yoda and he has a little skull. Comment below what you think this is. Sorry, I can't talk right now. And then we have this. Okay, it's Bindi. Not Bindi, but it's going to be Bindi. It's the alien from Toy Story. This is my little sister's. Oh my gosh, why is it bending? Now I'm gonna call it Bindi. Then we have this rainbow. Have you ever seen a rainbow with rainbow colors? That'd be neat. And then we have this t-shirt that our friend gave us. Kirsten DeWitt. And then we have this unicorn. And then we have this strawberry. Which is really good. See, did you hear that pop? So satisfying. Then we have this pie/cake. Kind of looks like a shoe. Then we have this donut. I love playing with these. And then we have this grenade. And then we have this monkey noodle. Pink monkey noodle. And then we have this Tangle. This dinosaur. This dimple. Pink and yellow, purple. Then we have this. Sorry, that's my sister. And then we have, oh, how did you hit that? That's a piece of broken for my dog. And then we have, last but not least, this marble mash. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to comment down below, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye.